This is our largest model unit dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. Watch this. Good afternoon everyone, maing buntag kaninyong tanan. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. And for today's video, i-feature ko ngayon sa inyo itong pinakamalaking bahay natin dito sa Antel Grand Village, which is the Olivia Model Unit. Alright, so this Olivia Model Unit, at least meron kang lot area of 192 square meters and with a floor area of 249 square meters. Look at this house. Oh, it's a massive house. It's a nice. And then look at this. Ang ganda ng bahay na yan. Okay. With a lot area of 192 square meters and with a floor area of 249, you have 4 rooms. It has 3 toilet and bath, large car, 2-car garage with balcony and with lanai area. Alright, now samahan nyo pa ako at feature natin itong pinakamagandang bahay Olivia Model Unit. Alright, so this Olivia Model Unit, so upon entering the house, you have that steps and you have this car garage. And look at the facade ng bahay. It's very nice. It's a Spanish Mediterranean. It's green and with a touch of white and gray. Wow. So this is your gutter area. So you have this going steps, no? Dito po sa pinaka main door. And of course, no, dito po sa gilid ng bahay, you have this 2-meter setback and a lanai area. Right, now check natin yung lanai area nito. But before po ang lanai area, check natin po dito sa pinaka harap ng bahay. Okay. So upon entering the house, so you have this very wide steps. Look at this. I think, no, bilangin natin guys. Alright, so oro, plata, mata, oro. And then another steps there. This one guys, this is your main door. Actually this is your main door. Yan. Actually the house is not yet finished, but makikita mo na po ang laki at ganda. Actually po, this house po is ginagawa siya ng 1 year. No, 1 year po siyang ginagawa kasi this is our largest model unit dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. So ang main door natin is a steel door. Alright, so look at this. Actually guys, this house was already sold out, but you can have this house po, no, kasi may mga available pa tayong lots dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And then look at the flooring guys, it's white, no? Ang ganda ng kulay kasi more of white. Ayan. Okay, so look at your ventilation. Ang lalaki ng mga bintana natin. I think 2 meters po ang bawat sukat ng bintana natin, no? And then this is the ground floor area. We're in dito sa area na to. Dito naman yung pinaka sliding door. Wow. Yung bahay na yan guys, sa kliyente ko yan. So lote lang yung binili nila dito po sa Antel Grand Village, or even in Anyan you can build that kind of unit. Okay, so dito po sa pinaka ground floor you have this. Wow, it's a nice island bar. Look at this guys. Wow, it's nice. Diba? So you have very wide kitchen area, and of course dito pa po sa baba meron ka pa dito isang storage here area. Okay, ayan guys. So yung ating height ceiling is 3.5 meters from the flooring. And dito po sa likod ng bahay meron ka pa dito 2 meters na setback, wherein this is your service area. And look at this, no, naka-elevate siya guys. Okay, wow, ang laki ng bahay at ang ganda. Actually guys, kung gusto niyo po mag-request ng floor plan nito, message lang po kayo sa akin. And even kung gusto niyo makakuha ng price nito guys, Ayan, message lang po kayo. So the house is pre-selling and the house is for construction. Okay, check natin sa likod. Medyo mainit at favorite po ng mga foreigner ang medyo mainit na area, maaraw. Alright, so dito po sa ibaba meron kang isang room, no? This one, this is a big room. Wow, it's nice, no? Ang laki at ang lawak. So this is a den or office, pero kung may kasama kayo may mga edad na at hindi na po nakakaakyat, this house po is maganda siyang para sa kanila. Okay, check natin sa taas. Okay, so dito po sa ilalim, no, sa ibaba, meron ka dito isang storage area here. This is your storage area, and then the other one is your toilet and bath. Let's check. Sana open, but nga now is closed. Anyway, so dito tayo ngayon guys sa pinaka stairway. Ayan, no, paakyat tayo sa itaas. Okay, bilangin natin guys, no? Oro, plata, mata. 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 Oro. Wow. Alright, no, ang ganda. So, welcome to the second floor. Kung bago ka pala dito sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. So this is your second floor wherein you have this family area. Look at this. Nice, no? Wow. Ganda. And you have the switches already. And tingnan mo po yung hagdanan nyo po, no? Sa ibaba. Ayan. Okay. It's nice. And then, ang maganda po talaga dito guys, sa houses natin, tingnan mo po yung mga panels natin guys. So, isang dangkal, no? This is more than dangkal. Kung ang kamay nyo po ni dangkal, ayan po. Mukhang dangkal, ang laki, ang kapal. No, yung bahay natin is a buhos type house. So, dito po sa itaas, mayroon kang 3 bedroom. Okay, so sa ibaba, mayroon ka isang room. But dito sa taas, mayroon kang 3 bedroom. So, this is the room 1. Walk. Ang laki. Now, this is the room 1 wherein meron kang balcony. Look at this. No? At ang laki. Wow. Pero alam nyo ba, have you seen that? Ang laki ng bahay niya guys. Look at that. Oh. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. Imagine mo lang ilang lote yan. Binili niya. I think 1, 2, 3. Tatlong lote. Isang corner, then isang inner. Ayan, tatlong lote magkatabi. Pero ang ganda ng bahay niya. So, pwede kasi dito magpagawa sa antel ng more than doon sa gusto mo. Ayan. Basta as long as pinafollow natin yung restriction. Okay, this is the one room. Dito sa ibaba. Then, let's check the other room. This is the second room. Wow. This is more wider. Ayan, guys, no? And, ang maganda nito, bawat room, meron kang balcony. And, napakataas ng kisame niya. Tingnan nyo po, guys. Oh. Ayan. At saka yung ating mga bintana, ang lalaki. No? Ayan po. Kung maganda po ito sa picture, mas maganda po ito sa personal. Wow. So, this is the Grand Forbes po. Ng Antel Grand Village. Atin po yung ating room. Let's check our master's bedroom. But anyway, bago po tayo sa master's bedroom, dito po sa second floor, meron kang common CR. This one. But now, hindi pa siya tapos. Pero ang laki niyan, guys. Okay. Yung ating mga pinto is ganito na. Okay, let's check the master's bedroom. Okay, so this is your master's bedroom. Wow, this is more wider. Look at this. Meron po lang pong nakaharap sa indam nyo. Kasi ginagawa pa lang siya ngayon, guys. Ang maganda dito sa master's bedroom, meron kang walk-in closet area. This one. Ayan, no? Check natin, guys. Medyo closer na konti. Ayan. So, itong bahay na ito, ginagawa siya ng 1 year. Kasi sobrang laki niya at saka medyo maaliwalas. And then dito sa master's bedroom, meron kang isang private CR. This one. Wow. This is wider. And meron na siya mga switches. Kompleto na po yun siya sa fixtures na ito. Turn over natin. At ang laki. 2x4. This is 8 square meters, I think. Or 2x3. This is 6 square meters. Okay. What makes this video different? Because itutur namin kayo doon sa, magre-request lang po kayo guys kung anong feature ang gusto niyo po dito sa Antel Grand Village. So dito po sa itaas, meron ka may malapad na balcony. Ayan. Okay. So this is your balcony for the Grand Forbes. Dito po sa Olivia model ng Grand Forbes. So pinapakita namin ito kasi po meron po tayong mga lote sa Anyana na malalaki. No, then later on gusto niyo pong magpagawa ng ganitong bahay. Guys, message lang po kayo, try natin pa-approve sa Antel. Okay. Alright, ang laki no. So this is the actual village ng Antel Grand Village guys ngayon. So today is Monday. So ayan siya. Malinis, para ka na rin sa abroad no, ang liwanag ng ating paligid at napakaganda dito talaga guys sa Antel Grand Village. So dito sa Antel Grand Village pwede pong lot only, then pwede rin pong house and lot package no. Shout out po doon sa mga lot owner dito po sa Antel Grand Village na wala pa pong bahay yung kanilang lot. So kapag ready na kayo at gusto niyo na pong patayuan ng bahay yung inyo pong mga vacant lot para magamit niyo na po yung inyong mga lot guys, ayun po, makipag-coordinate lang po kayo sa akin. Message lang po kayo sa akin sa WhatsApp, sa Viber, or even email nyo po ako or sa Messenger. Alright? If you're interested with this unit guys, so message lang po kayo at lang kung magkano ang price nito at kung kaya naman, then reserve nyo siya. But bukod dito sa Olivia model, meron pa tayong mga small houses na mag-fit in doon sa inyo pong mga budget. Alright, so thank you so much and see you in my next video. God bless. Right no, shout out sa lahat ng lot owner ng Antel Grand Village and Anyana. At kung mayroon na kayong lote sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes, Grand Oak Ridge, Grand Pasadena, Grand Meadows, Grand Catalina, Grand Broadmoor, and Grand Riverdale, and Grand Cedar Crest, at wala pa pong bahay, well, kung gusto niyo pong lagyan ng bahay, message lang po kayo sa akin at kung paano. Alright, so thank you so much.